Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome, //extensions and enabling developer mode. This unlocks load options you need. Make sure your extension folder contains manifest, JSON and any referenced files, because Chrome reads that instantly. If you keep multiple profiles or instances open, close extras to prevent file locks. Once done, click Load Unpacked and point Chrome to the extension folder. This first step tells Chrome where your extension lives and why it can be loaded for testing. After selecting the folder and clicking Open, Chrome will add the unpacked extension to your list. That's the immediate action. You then inspect its background page or pop-up using the Inspect Views link, because that reveals runtime logs and network activity. Make sure permissions declared in manifest. JSON match what you expect. Mismatches show as console errors. If an icon or pop-up is missing, refresh the extension or reload the page and watch the DevTools console as you reproduce the issue. Once your extension behaves as intended, you can pack extension for distribution or continue using Load Unpacked while iterating. Make sure to reload the extension after each code change so Chrome uses the latest files, and clear cache for pages the extension affects when necessary. If Chrome fails to load, check manifest. JSON syntax, required fields, and file paths first. One missing comma or wrong path often causes the error. As a quick tip, open the console to see the exact manifest or permission error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.